Hello, awesome readers! Today we're going to be reading Garden Time by Jill McDonald. Put on your gloves and grab your tools. We're going to the garden. A garden is a place where you can grow fruits, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. You might have a garden at your house, in your neighborhood, or at your school. The plants in a garden start as tiny seeds that are placed in soil. Once a seed is planted, it starts to grow. Soil gives nutrition to the plants. Roots spread into the soil below, and then a shoot pushes up out of the earth. The seed has sprouted. Roots hold the plant in the ground and drink up water and minerals from the soil. Plants in the garden have different parts: roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. The stem holds the plant up and carries water and minerals to the different parts. Leaves gather sunlight to make food for the plant. Wiggle, wiggle. Down below, earthworms burrow in the dirt, loosening the soil. This helps plants grow. Earthworms have small bristles all over their bodies to help them move. Up above, bees and butterflies fly from flower to flower, spreading pollen. Pollen helps a plant make seeds, which can become new plants. Sticky pollen from flowers clings to an insect's body and is carried to every plant it visits. A garden won't grow without water, so it needs a good drink every day. Garden plants love rain, but if it doesn't rain, you will have to water them. You can use a watering can to bring water to the plants. There is something new to see in a garden every day. Some plants grow quickly while others take more time. If a person is a good gardener, we say they have a green thumb. Do you have a green thumb? If you don't have a yard, you can grow plants on a window ledge or balcony. Many towns and cities have community gardens where a neighborhood works together and shares what is grown. When the fruits, vegetables, and herbs in the garden are grown and ripe, it's harvest time. Let's start picking. A harvest is when you pick and gather what is grown. Now you get to eat the food from the garden. What would you like to plant and grow? The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can read together again.